Hi, welcome back. So far, we looked at four different types of collections in Python. I wanted to do a quick recap of them so we can fully understand what they are used for and what the differences between them are before we move forward. So, first, we looked at lists. Lists are an ordered list of values, ordered or indexed, right? That is a position for each value. The values are changeable, so you can use a position to change the value. So in this example, we're seeing the list has John as a string and then 35 programmer and then a number. So there are different values stored in this list. The position 0 is John, position 1 is 35, 2 is programmer, and 3 is the value, the floating value. I can change any of these using the position, and lists are defined using that square bracket that is shown there. The next one we looked at was tuples. Again, tuples are ordered or indexed, but the values are unchangeable. That's the key difference. I've given an example there. The main difference between a tuple and a list when you define it is that you're going to use a regular parenthesis instead of the square brackets. And the index is there. So 0 would be John, 1 would be James, and 2 would be Carol in a tuple. But you cannot change any of those values once it's defined. And the third one we looked at was dictionary. So dictionaries are the key value pairs. They are unordered and unindexed. You cannot use an index. You can just always use only the key to retrieve a value. But you can change the value, right? So in this example, we're seeing there's a key name with the value of John. There's a key age with an integer value of 35. And there is a salary with the floating point value. You can change any of the value. I can switch the name to, for example, Jessica or something. So you can change the value, but there is no order or there is no index. There's no such concept in a dictionary. Again, dictionaries are very useful when you want to store a key value pair or a list of key value pairs. And the final one we looked at are sets. Sets are kind of similar to dictionaries, but there is no key. They are unordered or unindexed, and you can also change the value, right, once it's defined. You can only add values to a set or remove. So again, an example is you use a curly brace just like a dictionary, but you just give a list of values. There is no key. So those are the four different types of collections in Python. This quick recap I wanted to do just so we can understand where different types of these collections would be useful. Again, if you have not done so, please work on some examples of all these types of collections so you fully grasp the concept behind them and when they could come in handy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.